If you are a fan of Windows 11 Mica effect and using Edge as a default browser on your PC, then there is a good news for you. It is now possible to enable Mica effect in Edge browser. The Mica effect was first added by the Microsoft in the Edge version 1.02 and users have to enable it using feature flag assigned to this feature. Unfortunately, later they removed it from the browser for unknown reasons. Recently, Microsoft rolled out Edge version 1.20 in the stable channel, and it has the same feature flag using which users can enable the Mica effect in Edge browser. If you have updated the browser to the latest build, that is 120.0.2210.61, and would like to try the Mica effect in Edge browser, then here is how you can do that. Before we move forward, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating similar videos. Alright, first of all, open the Edge browser, and in the address bar you need to type edge : / flags and hit enter. This will take you to Edge experimental feature page. Here in the search box you need to type Mica, and this will filter out related feature flags. You need to look for that reads show Windows 11 visual effects in title bar and toolbar, and using the drop down next to it, change the setting from default to enabled. At last, click on the restart button to apply the changes. After restarting the browser, you need to click on the 3-dot icon and select settings. In the setting page, you need to switch to appearance tab on the left side, and then on the right side you will find a new option that reads show Windows 11 visual effects in title bar and toolbar preview. Now move the slider for this option to on position, and this will ask you to restart the browser to apply the changes. After restart, if you move the browser window like that, you will notice how neatly Mica effect is applied to title bar and toolbar of the browser window. Although Mica effect works fine with both light and dark themes, but the Mica effect will be noticeable and seen much better when you are using the light theme in comparison of the dark theme. You can see this is how the Mica effect looks like with dark theme. And this is how it looks like with light theme. So that's all about this video. What is your opinion about Mica effect feature in Edge browser? Did you like it? Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel for getting notification about whenever we upload new videos. Also, please donate using the thanks button or links in the description as this encourages us in creating similar videos. Thanks for watching.